We spoke about chronic stress, and one of the quickest ways to reduce cortisol in less than 5 minutes was a simple breathwork exercise called the 4-7-8, where you inhale for 4 seconds through your nostril, you hold for 7 seconds, and then through your mouth, you exhale with a whoosh sound for about 8 seconds. Today, I'm going to teach you the second most powerful breathwork exercise proved scientifically to reduce cortisol in less than 3 to 5 minutes. That is diaphragmatic breathing. We all know this. It's very simple. You sit down, back straight, and you inhale through your nostrils. Imagine you're filling up your stomach with oxygen, and then you hold for 2 seconds, and then you exhale through your nostrils. It's called diaphragmatic or belly breathing. This breath work stands second after the 4-7-8 to reduce cortisol in less than 3 to 5 minutes. We need to understand all the science leads towards chronic stress being the accelerator of aging, the accelerator of disease. We can have the best medicine in the world, we can have the best nutraceuticals, nutrition plans, fancy workouts, everything that Instagram's selling you. I don't have a problem with that. But the point is, it is always chronic stress that's leading the top. So these little breath works that can help you drop cortisol. You'll do this breath work, your problems will still be there. But internally, you've reduced your cortisol, and that is a huge win. The real flex, the real wealth when it comes to longevity and health span is learning how to de-stress, learning how to keep that cortisol low.
Stay tuned for more. We're going to continue our journey, learning, sharing, and evolving.